Hello tool fans, Tim Booth here, Vehicle Service National Account Manager for Chicago Pneumatic Tool Company. Thank you so much for tuning in to our tool demonstration videos. You guys are our favorites. Speaking of favorites, I'd like to share with you this morning my favorite tool in our lineup, the CP7600 Series BlueTork. This tool is OE torquing capabilities brought to you in the aftermarket garage. This tool features two rundown air motors. One's a 100 RPM motor, and then the final torquing motor is a 10 RPM motor. And then it has a valving system inside of it that opens up and shuts the tool off even with the trigger pull. This reaction bar here reacts off a neighboring lug nut, giving the user the ability to run lug nuts down to 500 foot-pounds without breaking his or her wrist. This is an excellent tool that many fleets across the country use to properly torque Class 8 commercial lug nuts. This tool, in conjunction with our whole program of BlueTork wheel torquing solutions, includes cleaning all mating surfaces, measuring studs for stud stretch, disregarding old studs, checking unimount nuts, making sure they're properly turning, and also cleaning any of the hub surface pilots, and then lubricating the nuts as you finally put the wheel back together with the CP BlueTork, the 7600 series. This is my favorite tool in all of our portfolio of tools, but we have some great accessories to go with this guy here. This is a 87029 ergo seat. It's very user-friendly. It's a suspensive tool for the user to use while he or she is at the wheel end of the vehicle. Another great tool to use with BlueTork is a 7782 TL-6, a torque limited tool. Pairs greatly with running down lug nuts prior to using the BlueTork. Check these guys out at www.cp.com. Look at our Expert Corner editions for proper torquing. Thank you, and we'll see you again next week.